Third exit right, please.
Oh God, what's she going at me?
Oh, no fuel.
Third, what? I
There you
can't.
go. Right, we're going to have to get fuel, which means you get my fill-up game.
Do I have to do it?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Please do us a favour, like and subscribe, and especially press notify. We're landing films every 2 or 3 days, and we want you to be a part of it. And you can do that by subscribing now. Right, actually, say I'll pop it a second. Keep going, don't stop on the corner.
Sorry.
Okay, my filler is on your side, so maybe pump number that one, 2.
Where's
Right.
2? Oh, here.
Yeah, next to 1. Follow me.
We're coming in.
There we go. Right. Stop. I want you to fill up
Oh, exactly on the dot.
45. I want 45 litres. What I do need though is means of payment, because students don't like it when I ask them for paying for petrol. It's funny, get funny that.
I wonder why.
Look, we're going to take that.
So litres, you're not doing enough money.
I don't know how much it is these days. It's
Yeah, you go.
well, I don't know the price of diesel.
Only diesel.
No. No.
You just said
I was doing farmer talk for you. I was doing farmer talk. Please do not put diesel in this car. It would be a very, very, very expensive lesson for me. And my lesson would be never teach a farmer ever again. There we go. Well, I want E10, please.
This one?
Yeah.
45, yeah?
Yeah. Litres. That's probably about 10 miles of the tractor, isn't it?
Yeah, not bad. No.
It's fun, this.
Did that fill your car up? 45 litres?
Yeah, that's all it is. How many litres does your tractor take?
Little whizzer. Huh?
How many litres does your tractor take?
I don't actually know.
Probably about 400.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, that's
And
scary.
we got a hand pump. So I got massive muscles.
Oh, really? I won't challenge you to an arm wrestle.
No. I took some, in spoons, I took someone in an arm wrestle, I won.
Did you?
It was a guy as well.
Did you win?
Yeah. I won.
Was it another farmer you challenged?
No, just a normal town guy.
Normal person.
Normal.
It's a normal person. Was he wearing a Tattersall shirt and a green sort of jacket?
Yeah.
That's a farmer.
Oh, am I allowed to do that?
Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, no,
fuck's
look at...
sake.
Oh, never mind, you don't win a Mackey's now
I
then.
really thought I had that.
You'll have to do it next time. Unlucky. It's not bad though.
Yeah,
It's quite hard these days to get it spot on, isn't it?
it is. I normally get, if I look
God,
at
73 quid. I need to pay. Oh, go!
Quick.
You know I'm talking
Put
about
your
that.
foot
You know I'm
down.
talking about that false acceleration. Get out of here.
I'm in a police chase.
Yeah. No.
I won't move.
Yeah. Just say, make sure you don't say horrible things about me.
No, I won't.
Good.
I won't.
Shall I get the door slightly open and get a cook otherwise?
I'll keep mine open. Thank you. Lol. Fuck my. Millie, shout out Millicent Sheard, my little slut. Where is she? She won't ring me now. No, fucking listen, not to this. Oh, I'm walking straight. I'm fucking boiling actually.
Right.
Thought I locked you out.
You're going to drive to the test centre now.
Is that near the hospital?
No. Does it need to be?
Probably.
No. That's it.
Right, where is the how I get out? Is that, I
yeah.
thought that has an arrow coming in.
No, this is exit.
You want my clutch?
No.
I couldn't be a driving instructor. I'm too much of a control freak.
No, that makes a good driving instructor.
Oh, right. No, but I would just
I'm
never.
completely
I
in
would
control.
never take my foot off that thing.
No.
Oh, it's an adult boutique.
Yeah, adult boutique.
Oh my god.
Right near the test centre.
Where is the test centre?
Just there.
Oh, what the fuck? Right.
I'm just nipping off the BP.
I need to pick some speed up now, don't I?
Yeah, a little bit second gear.
Yeah,
Second gear, go a bit faster, second gear. Signal right. Just gauge it in. Make sure you've got a nice line of sight. Don't come out until you're happy.
Oh god, right.
That's it, go for it, go on, go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it, go for it. That's it, put your foot down.
Sorry, car.
That's good, you spotted the adult boutique. I think
Pretty sure I found my friend there.
you don't see a national speed limit sign, but you can spot an adult boutique at 400 yards.
Am I in the right lane?
So if you liked our videos, please support our channel, press like and subscribe, press the notify because we're landing brand new videos every single week.